Hey guys, Henry Guerra here with Guerra Industries. And if you're watching this video, that means you already know about wholesaling real estate and have watched the videos on training and partnership. Now, I would never in a million years charge you what the social media gurus charge, which I have seen go from 1,000 to 8,500 to learn this industry. However, I do charge a small and reasonable fee because not everyone chooses to partner on deals with us. It covers our expenses, and it is important that you invest into yourself, your education, and your future. Now, I decided not to charge a large fee like the gurus on social media because I want to make the real money on partnering on deals with you and splitting the assignment fee 50-50. So to enroll in this training academy, you will click on the enroll link next to or under this video and choose an option to pay the tuition fee. You can choose to pay in full or subscribe to a monthly plan. Either one you choose, you will get immediate access inside of training. You will also get access to all future training courses by Guerra Industries. You will also have access to the no-cost partnership option to work with the mentor on your wholesale deals and split the assignment fee 50-50. There are no other fees involved other than the tuition fee. If you pay the yearly fee, then it is reimbursed once we partner on a deal and it does not auto-renew. So once you are on the enroll page and you select your option, then click get started and you will be directed to the training portal. Just follow the steps and you will get access inside of the course immediately. Now let's take a look at the training courses that are coming soon in 2024. The first one is how to build teams and scale your wholesale business. This course is perfect for those who have already done a few deals and want to grow your wholesale business. Next is how to wholesale apartments and commercial buildings. This is perfect for those who want to take their wholesale business to another level and make really large assignment fees. Next is a full course on how to wholesale construction work. Now, I teach a small course on this already in the wholesale real estate training, but this one will be much more detailed. Next is how to flip websites for small businesses. Every day across America, thousands of new businesses are opened and every single one of them need a website. You do not need to have any experience, and I will teach you step by step on how to do this. Next is how to set up Google business listings for small businesses. Every local business wants to get found in their local category online, and I will show you how to get that done. No experience necessary. I will also have a course on business tips, advice, and encouragement that I will consistently add to as time permits. Now, I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I look forward to training and partnering with you on deals.